Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajeem. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I am going to share with you top 60 most repeated everyday science MCQs for the preparation of CSS exam. So let's get started. First one is, water is heated in a kettle. The inside water is heated by convection. A person sitting near the fire receives heat by radiation. Hygrometer is used for measuring the humidity of air. The measurement of rainfall is made by an instrument known as none of these. Light year is a unit of distance. 3 elements needed for the healthy growth of plants are NPK. Copper can be converted into gold by artificial radioactivity. In winter, an iron pipe feels colder than a wooden window. This is because wood is non-conductor. Deficiency of following vitamin decreases hemoglobin production. Pyridoxine. It is possible to recognize a person in the dark by simply hearing his unique voice. It is because of the quality. Chemical name of vinegar is dilute acetic acid. A 6 feet tall lady wants to see her full image in a plane mirror. The minimum length of the mirror will be 3 feet. The principle used in radar is the same as that of sonar. In radar, we use radio waves, whereas in sonar, we use ultrasonic. Dry ice is solid carbon dioxide. Parsec is a unit of distance. German silver is an alloy of copper plus zinc. The continent Antarctica lies at the South Pole. One of the countries through which equator passes is Kenya. Lactometer is a type of hydrometer which is used to measure the specific gravity of milk. Cusec is a unit of none of these. The deepest place on earth is Mariana Trench. Twinkling of stars is caused by refraction of light. The science which deals with study of manners and customs of people is ethnology. Chemical used to kill rats and mice are rodenticides. One of the countries through which equator passes is Kenya. A very important practical application of properties of matter is hoeing or godi practiced by the farmers. This property of matter is called capillarity. Role of biotechnology is the production of food based on fermentation. The instrument which measures very high temperature is pyrometer. A nuclear reactor is a device used to carry out controlled nuclear reaction, whereas GM counter is a device used to detect nuclear radiation. A body can escape the gravitational pull of the earth if it is thrown up with a velocity of 7 miles per second. Night vision is possible with the help of infrared rays. Myopia is a defect of human eye. It can be corrected by using a lens called concave lens. Walnuts can be broken in the hand by squeezing 2 together but not 1. It is because of energy. The instrument which I specially designed for recording earthquake wave is called seismograph, which measure earthquake waves on a Richter scale. The planet Mercury completes one rotation around the Sun in 88 days. Fossils found in the lowest geological strata are generally most primitive. Evolution can be described as a continuing process. What is the only source of new alleles? fertilization. Polygenic characteristics are controlled by multiple genes. Founder of modern astronomy was Nicholas Copernicus. In humans, most nutrient molecules are absorbed by small intestine. The energy needed to fuel essential body processes is called basal metabolism. Which of the following is an organic molecule needed by the body in small amounts? Vitamin C. Inhaled air passes through which of the following in the last bronchiole? Which of the following is a form of sexual reproduction? Hermaphroditism. Cobalt is a material which is strongly attracted by a magnet. Laughing gas has chemical composition of the following two elements which are nitrogen plus oxygen. Hepatitis A is transmitted to different individuals by water. The unit that coordinates different devices of the computer system is ALU. The most abundant element present in the human body is oxygen. Cancer can be treated by chemotherapy and radiotherapy. Animals obtain carbon dioxide mainly from none of these. Persons with following blood group are considered to be universal recipient AB+. Study of life in outer space is known as exobiology. The name of the common mineral salt present in seed is sodium chloride. Sensitive layer of the eye is retina. Laughing gas has chemical composition of following two elements, nitrogen plus oxygen. Television signals are converted into light signals by photodiode. Which triplet in DNA codes for valine? None of these. Which form of drug abuse involves most risk of infection with the HIV/AIDS virus? Taking too much aspirin. Which of the following is not a part of Darwinism? Overproduction.